Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to create your Wechat app. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to go to Play Store and search for this app called Wechat. Once you get there, you click on what? Install. So this might take a while depending on your connection. Once installation is complete, you simply open the app. After which, if you already have an account, you simply click on what? Login. But we want to create a new brown account, so I'm going to click on what? Sign up. Once I'm there, you can either sign in with your mobile phone or with your Facebook account. So I'm going to click on what? Mobile. That's my telephone number. After which, you simply need to insert your name and you simply need to insert your country. So I'm from Cameroon, so I'm going to insert my country, Cameroon. So Cameroon, that's it. Once I'm there, I'll simply need to insert my name. So I'll insert my channel name, like TV. After which, I will simply need to insert my telephone number. Once I'm done with that, I will simply need to create my password. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on what? Agree. That is, you agree the term of service. After that, you click on what? Sign up. Once you're here, you simply need to read their policy. So I already did that. So I'm going to actually click on what? I have read and accept the below theme. After that, I click on what? Next. So after that, you simply need to verify your account. So I'm going to click on what? Start. Once you're here, you simply need to drag this thing and put it in the box. So I'm going to simply drag it, adjust it. Okay, then we're done. After that, they are going to send you a verification code to your number, that is the number in which you used to create your account. Once you receive the verification code, you simply insert it here. So I'm going to check the verification code. So I'll simply insert the verification code. After that, I click on what? Next. So this is it. We are done in creating our account. So I'm going to click on what? Okay. So this is our Wechat already created. So you can now add your friends. You can now start a group chat. That is, you can invite your friends to join. So thank you guys.